Something important is happening right now. The people who learn to architect AI instead of casually using it are going to operate at a completely different level over the next 5 years. They will think faster, execute cleaner, scale without burnout. Everyone else will be reacting. The AI Clone Builder course is my step-by-step framework for installing your own AI operating system. Not prompts, not hacks, not trends, architecture. It is 90% complete, which means something powerful. You are not buying a static, outdated course. You are stepping into the final build phase. You will watch the finishing layers drop in real time. You will see how the system is refined. You will be inside the room as it reaches completion. That's how most great programs are born. Quietly, with a small group who get in early. When this course is finalized, it will be positioned between $97 and $197 because the value is not informational, it is operational. But right now, during this final stage, you can join for $7. Why? Because early adopters are partners in momentum. You lock in lifetime access, you receive all future refinements, and when the price increases, you are already in. If installing one structured system saves you even a few hours a month, the return dwarfs the investment. The real question isn't price, it's trajectory. Do you want to keep experimenting casually with AI, or do you want to build something deliberate and repeatable? If you're ready to architect leverage instead of chase tactics, join the AI Clone Builder now for $7 and secure your position before the official launch. Click below and step inside.